Look at... Jesus Christ. Look at that. Look at the size of that stinger. Man, he must be a dominant male. Jesus, if that thing ever stung me, God, that's a sword. The hell do you? What do you work? Who do you work for? Who do you work for, Norman? What the hell? Do you kill donkeys? Jesus, talk to me, buddy. What are your antennas? What are you trying to find? My soap? What are you looking for, buddy? Don't go down there. That's where the ants are. You don't go hang out with the ants. Oh my God. You got a wipe in your face? Where'd you go? Holy shit. There you are, buddy. Are you wiping your face? You brushing your teeth? Oh my God. Look at this. Jeez. Where the hell did that come from?